Another day, another Thredup shoe unboxing. I have 15 pairs of shoes here. It's supposed to be a mystery box from Thredup, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys and see if I can make some money on it. Now, if you're new, my name is Samantha, and I go by Thrifty on a dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, in person, online, you name it, as well as positivity, motivation. So be sure, if you aren't already, you do hit that subscribe and little bell icon. It will alert you whenever I put out new content. But today, again, like I said, I'm just going to be showing you what I got inside of here. So they jam pack a big old box like this. And then, let me see if I can get it to show you guys what it looks like. They put this little tissue paper and then they just have it stuffed full of shoes. So I do really well on these shoe boxes. That's why I keep getting them. Now, you're not going to have every pair is going to be worth money or you're going to be able to make money on. I have some that I have to redonate, some that are just trash because there is no way for anybody to wear them. And then I do really good on a couple pairs that pay for the entire box. So my goal is to find a pair of Roths sometime in one of these boxes, as around my area, Roths isn't popular. I live in a super small area in Illinois, and I have not been lucky to ever find a pair of Roths. So that would be one awesome thing if I could find a pair of those. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you what's inside of this box. Okay, for starters, it looks like these are men's. Definitely, probably, pretty sure these are men's. So I'm going to reach out to Thredup because I heard if you get men's items or completely damaged shoes, because one time I had them to where one of the soles was like falling, deteriorating apart. If you contact Thredup, they're good about reimburse you part of the box. So since these are men's, I mean, they're kind of out of date men's. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't make a big fuss about it. They are Cole Haan, and they're in really good shape. I may try to resell them still. I may also just reach out to Thredup and be like, hey, you know, I did get some men's items in this box, and see if they will compensate for that. Oh, I totally got... Totally thought I found some Roths, but these are not. These are just Steven. So I'm thinking it's Steve Madden. It looks like they didn't take these probably because the bottoms are kind of ucky on one of them. But these are cute still. I mean, they're not bad. What size are they? Maybe I'll keep them for me. I don't know. Oh, maybe that's why they didn't take them. I'm not seeing a size printed anywhere. So yeah, I don't know what size those are, but those will definitely get resold because they're in good condition. And another one that looks definitely like men's. So I will probably reach out to them since it is 2 items out of the 15 already that are men's, and these are really not cute. These are super dated, but they're in good condition again. So maybe I can list them for like 15, 20 bucks and expect probably like 10. And as long as I get, I think it breaks down to $5.33. If I get more than that per pair, I'm making money. So as long as I don't lose out less than that, we're good. Okay, so this next pair feels super soft. So this feels definitely like real leather. It looks like they just didn't take them because one of the soles is kind of coming up and pushed in, but the other one is just fine. Just fine, I mean. So if you know the brand, let me know. I can't really make out since it's in cursive and I don't know the brand, but they're in really good condition. It says made in Portugal. Really, really good condition. So other than that one sole being pushed in, so I'm going to see if I can maybe fix that and push it over and then get something to glue it down again. But yeah, these are cute, and that's a good size. 39, I believe, is a 8 or a 9, maybe an 8.5. I don't know, but good condition, really soft leather. I bet it does good. Okay, so these are some boots. Just a little bit of black stuff on them. Marius. See if you guys can see that. I have not heard of the brand, But this again feels like real suede. It doesn't really say if it's real suede or not. Size 6, so I'll have to do a little bit more digging. Well, the bottom of this boot says retails at $350. Marissa, USA, mustard 6 suede. So yeah, it is suede. But those are cute. I wish they were a little bit bigger. Size 6 is not gonna fit me. But yeah, those little booties will sell. Okay, let's see. These just look like maybe a department store. JG is what the brand looks like. I mean, they're cute. I like how it's like laser cut. But I don't know if that point toe is an older style or if it's still in. I really don't wear heels, so I'm going to sell them because they're in good condition. A pair of Coach. That's a good find. I can take these directly to Style Encore and sell it to them if I wanted. The last pair I took that was kind of like these boat shoes. They gave me $8 for. I just didn't want to clean them up because as you see around like the sole, there's a lot of dirt. But these are real leather and they're honestly kind of cute. So I may just take a little bit of a magic eraser and clean these up real quick and sell them myself because I could probably list them at $30. It's like a baby pink, a powder pink. So it's a cool color. All right, these are just Sam and Libby flats. But they do look like they are, this must have been the black dust that was on those boots because they are coming apart a little bit. Man-made materials, textile upper, yeah. So this is not even real leather. But they're, yeah, just a bendable flat. I may take these directly to Style Encore and maybe they won't see the cracking because it's hard to notice. I mean, they're cute shoes. They're still in really good condition. Other than that, they're like new. But I'm thinking because they bend, maybe it's like right where the bend is the material is coming apart. So those I won't list in my closet. I don't like to list anything with lots of flaws like that. All right, so these are definitely super dated Clarks, but they're real leather. So I will list these and hopefully they sell, but they're not gonna be a high dollar, 15 to 20 bucks. But again, more than 533 is making me some money, so. This next pair is NYLA, and it's all abbreviated. I'll show you here real quick. NYLA. And it's definitely real leather. Yang is the style, it looks like. So it looks like they didn't take them because there is one small scuff right there. I'm going to try and use some white leather shoe, what am I trying to think of? Shoe paint. Shoe paint and see if that helps because other than that, they're in really good condition and they're cute. They're a cute style. And they're a good size. They're a size 9. All right, these again are dated, but they're naturalizers. Probably real leather. I'm going to take these directly to Style Encore and just see if they take them because boots, they actually price up. They price them at like $25. So you get a third of what they price them at, which I could probably expect $8, I would say. And I don't really want to list those in my closet as it look like a dated style for me, at least. I don't know. Maybe they're not. Maybe you guys are like, those are cute. So, I mean, and they are cute, but. All right, Tommy Hilfiger. I always say it wrong. But these are a size 8, blue, like royal blue suede with black accents. It does need just a little bit of suede brushing, but other than that, they're in really good condition. And these are super cute. If I liked to dress up, I might keep these for myself because they're my size. But not a huge moneymaker. Probably list them at 30. 30-ish. Oh, and look what I talked about, and look what came real. Oh my, some Roths. Yes, they have a little bit of wear on the inside and like one scuff. I think I saw, yeah, a little bit of a scuff there on the outside, but honestly, those are going to be able to be cleaned up. So I have heard there's a lot of fakes out there. So I'm going to show you guys these, and you let me know if these match up to how a real Rothies look. Because again, I have never found Rothies. So, I mean, they look real because the stitching all is lining up. They're in good condition. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think they are real because that looks like something that Rothies would probably do. I say it like I know. A lot of designer does stuff like this where they have their actual tag on the inside and it says more about the information. So, yeah, I hope these are real. They're 9.5s. I mean, the stitching and everything looks really good. I don't know how much Rothies are worth, but I do know they sell really well. So, I'm excited about that one. That should pay for this box. All right, the next ones here are just soft spots. They're a cute, like, I don't know, wedge heel. They're real leather. They've got like this cute little flower strap. I will list these myself because they're in really good condition. And I mean, they look like a good work shoe because it's a closed toe. What size are we? They look like they're probably a size 7, but I do not know. And I bet they didn't take these because they had this like back heel cushion insert. So it's probably covering up the size, honestly. So yeah, once I figure out the size, I'll be able to list these because I don't really like listing anything without sizing. I am going to actually look into getting a little sizing, those little foot metal sizing things that you can get at the department store and try on shoes with. My friend Ashley, Revived Tribe, over on Instagram, she showed how she bought one of those. And I was like, why didn't I think of that? Like, whenever I can't find the size on a good shoe, I should just get one of those and then take a picture in it so people know, yes, it's not size, but this is what the size measures up to. So then you don't have to not sell something because it's not size. All right, and the last is just some Sam and Libby sandals. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to take these directly to Style Encore. Maybe I'll give them to my oldest daughter because she is a size 6 right now and she's only 10 years old. So maybe these will be a summer sandal for her because they're cute. I'd keep them if they were my size. So it looks like just 2 men's was pretty much the only casualties. Sometimes I get stuff in here that is literally, like I said, just deteriorating. So I'm just like, I cannot believe they put this in here. But this was a good box. Everything was salvageable. I'm going to be able to sell all of it. Not for huge profits, minus the Rothies. And I think those green pair of shoes are going to do really good. And then there's like a couple other ones. The NYLA, I think is what it was called. And Malaysia, whichever ones I said earlier. So yeah, I think I'm going to make more than my money on this box. It was exciting unboxing it with you guys. I do have a code in my description if you're interested in trying out some Thredup mystery boxes. So be sure you use my code, as well as all my social handles are in the description, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be doing more YouTube videos for you. So be sure you hit that little bell, and I look forward to putting out more content. Have a great day.